This salad is the best what winter can offer. Delicious, easy and healthy. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. Usually, they eat Brussels sprouts cooked and fried, and because of the sulfurous smell they release when they are warm, people avoid them. But I want to show you how to serve it as a flavorful cold side, which makes you love this nutritious vegetable. As a side, about 200 grams Brussels sprout is enough for 4 to 6 servings. I'm going to clean and blanch them. First things first, I bring 1 liter water with a handful of salt to a boil. To clean the sprouts, just remove 2-3 outer leaves. I don't cut the stem end because I may lose more leaves than I want. Then cut them in half. And as you see, because we didn't cut off the stem end, the leaves won't shed. They are rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin A, C and K. They even contain some protein. Little nutritious power balls I would call them. You don't need to wash them if there's no debris on them, because we boil them anyway. Remove them from the water after 5 to 7 minutes and put them in cold or iced water so that they don't get gray. Let's prepare the rest. Now pomegranates come into season and I sprinkle them on different dishes, including salads. I show you how to cut them professionally, without damaging the beautiful rubies inside. Give a cut around the top of the fruit, only on the skin. You can see the knife doesn't get inside the fruit. Most of the people cut it in the middle. Don't do that, you will destroy it. Then push your finger under the cut and separate the top part of the skin carefully. There we are. So far, the beautiful seeds are intact. Do you see this white star in the middle? We give the fruit several cuts exactly on this spongy tissue, aka pith. And then gently from the cut line separate the parts from the center. Now you can easily remove the pith. Look at that, gorgeous. If you cut the fruit in the middle to take the seeds out, you had to do what most of the people do, tapping on the rind with a spoon, because there's no other way to get to the seeds. This technique destroys the beautiful seeds and the juice splatter around and make a huge mess. But cutting it my way, you will have exposed seeds that you can remove from the skin and membranes by rubbing them gently with your thumbs. The next winter fruit I use in the salad is orange, and I cut it in segments the chef's way. Cut off the ends and stand the fruits on the cut side and start to slice off the skin, top to bottom following the fruit curve. Make sure to cut the pith with the skin. Trim off the remaining bits. Then cut along the membranes on each side of the segments. Repeat all around the fruit until you get all the segments out. The next autumn fruit I'm going to add to my salad is walnut. I don't buy skin-packed walnuts, I like to crack them by myself. And this Swedish nut cracker I bought recently works really well. Put the nut inside, one crack, turn it, another crack and remove the skin without the nuts breaks apart. I crack 6 walnuts. The salad will be really fruity and full of vitamins. But that's not all. Let me introduce you to a creamy and delicious German dressing that combines with the sprouts pleasantly. Peel and cut a medium potato in chunks. Slice an onion and add it to the potato. 1 teaspoon salt. Cover with water. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Mix and let them cook thoroughly. When the potatoes are soft, you are done with the cooking. Add a half teaspoon mustard, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil and blend it well with a stick blender. We are done with the dressing. Set it aside and add 3 tablespoons vegetable oil to a pan and fry the sprouts. I like to add some breadcrumbs for the sake of crispiness and color. 2 tablespoons is enough. When they get a little bit color, remove them from the heat. No need to fry them long. I plate them, then I pour the potato dressing all over the top. And sprinkle the fruits over it. Looks very appetizing. Colors alone talk about the taste. You will love it. The creamy potato dressing and the tangy taste of the fruits match the sprouts well. Christmas is behind the door. Make sure to add this on your Christmas Eve's table. It's easy and healthy. If you like the recipe, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.